Right, hello, it's Alison here. This is for the general channel. I have already sent a couple of ideas to my VIP channel, but I'm going to give you guys two trade ideas for today. You can call it signals if you want, but what I normally do, I have these ranges established for the day. You see what happened yesterday? We had this range and then it broke through, and then this sold off yesterday. So we'll see what happens today. So if you want to trade USD CAD for today, this will be my suggested levels to watch. So you have your level here at 1.31670, and then you also have your level here at 1.313, 1.31422 thereabout. So you are waiting for a break and close above any of these levels, and then if it breaks above, you go long. If it breaks below, you go short. Your stop loss is going to be just below, or either below or above, depending on the opposite side you're going. So if it breaks out below and you're going short, your stop loss should be above here. And if it breaks out above and you're going short, then sorry, if it breaks out above and you're going long, your stop loss should be below here. Your take profit should be 2 times your risk. Okay. And also, let's look at NZDJPY, another signal I want to give to you today. So you can see a very nice range forming on NZDJPY. Okay. So this is the level for today. I'm giving you guys. It's 71.014, and if it breaks below what's the level here? It is 70.827. So if it breaks below that level and closes below on top of the hour, like it's just 8 o'clock now, then you can equally go short as well. And then again, your stop loss is going to be on this side, and then your take profit is going to be 2 times your risk. Okay, these are the two ideas I'm going to give to you today, which is USD CAD and NZDJPY today. Okay, I've already sent another video into my VIP channel with about 5 or 6 more trade ideas, guys. So if you want to get more of these trade signals, you want to subscribe to my VIP channel. If you're watching on YouTube, the link is going to be below this video. So I hope you can subscribe to the channel for more trade ideas. And also, we're going to start having giveaways and things to help you do your forex trading better. And I hope to see you soon in my VIP channel. Take care. Or if you're not even in my Telegram channel, I will leave links below this video if you're watching on YouTube. So take care. It's Alison, and I'll see you when I make another video. Take care and bye-bye.